Hi beauties, I hope that you are well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this colorful side French butterfly nail design using polygel. So if you want to see, please keep on watching. So I'm going to be doing the lazy girl method, but I'm going to be making it super lazy. And super lazy simply means that if you have pre-existing nails, then you can simply add nails onto that without having to soak them off. I'm going to be using the long square nails that I got from AliExpress. I did an AliExpress video showing you where to get these nails from. Please go and check that video out. So what I like about the square nails is that these are actually bigger than my natural finger, and I need that space because when I'm applying polygel, this is going to lift a little bit off of my nail. So you want to make sure that this nail fits sidewall to sidewall. You're also going to need some primer as well as some base and top gel, and you're also going to need some colorful polygel to create that side fringe. Other than that, you're just going to need some butterfly stickers. You can find these off of Amazon. Now let's get started. So first, I start off by applying some base gel to the pre-existing nail that I have on. To get started with this nail, I'm going to go ahead and apply primer to the entire nail tip. Next, you will need to apply base gel to the entire nail tip. Now it's time for your polygel. Now do not cure your nail tip after you've applied that base gel because you need your nail tip to be wet in order for you to go ahead and manipulate this polygel. And since we are doing a side fringe, you simply need to apply the polygel to one side of the nail, pat down and get it to as low as possible. And then you're going to take your spatula and just kind of push down to get that edge nice and clean. Now, manipulating this polygel did take me a few minutes to perfect, but what I love about polygel is that it doesn't harden, it gives you time to put it into the shape that you want. And once you have this in shape, you're going to put this under your UV lamp to cure for just about 10 seconds so that you can apply your next layer of polygel. So I'm going to be testing out this and Self polygel that I got off Amazon. This has been one of my recent Amazon nail haul, and this is the color Clear Coffee, and it is very sticky. Like, I find the light pink, like any of these pink colors polygel, I find them really sticky, but I also find them really pretty. And this color is the most perfect color for my complexion, and it is super cheap off of Amazon. Like I said, in the Amazon haul, I got like 5 of them and they were like 15 euros, I think. And this is the perfect color. Like, usually some of the polygels are just too pink, and you know, pink, it doesn't really blend well with my chocolate complexion, but I want to say that this is the perfect color. I think this would probably be the most universal color. Anyway, so I have applied that polygel to the nail. I have not cured this. I'm just going to apply another thin layer of base gel onto this nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply that polygel nail onto this nail and put this under the UV lamp for about 60 to 90 seconds on the top, and then I'm going to flip my nail over and cure the bottom part as well. If you do have any seepage to the side, be sure to take your brush with some isopropyl alcohol and remove that extra layer, else it's going to harden and you're going to have to file that off. So once you have cured your nail, you take your file, you file that down to make it more flush with the skin. You take your buffer, you buff away that shine, and then you're going to take some base gel and apply it to the top of this nail. Put it back under the UV lamp to cure for another 60 seconds. Then I'm going to take this Model 1's glittery polish and I'm just going to be applying it to the area that is not colored. So just that clear coffee area, I'm going to apply this glitter polygel because I don't want to take away the shine from this colorful side fringe. After which, I'm going to take these butterfly stickers and I'm going to go ahead and strategically place them wherever I feel like I want them to be placed onto my nail. Easy peasy. So all of the butterflies are now on. I'm going to go ahead again with another layer of base gel. Pop this under the UV lamp for 60 seconds to cure. And then I feel like I want to add a little bit of art to this. So I'm going to take this white Beetles gel polish and I'm going to put 2 dots onto my nail just to kind of create this star look. And you're going to need a liner brush to kind of draw the lines into this star. Once I am done drawing the lines, I do cure this under the UV lamp for about, I want to say 40 seconds, and then I pop it back out. So now I want to draw a halo around this star just to give it a, I don't know, 3D, 2D effect. Not sure what it's called. So what you do is you dip your dotting tool back into that white gel polish, then you dip it in some isopropyl alcohol just to kind of give it a little transparency, and you're just going to rub around that circle just to create that kind of halo effect, like you know when you stare into the sun and then there's this bright aura surrounding the sun. So that's what I want to do here. So after I have cured that just for a few seconds, I'm going to go ahead and take my Model 1's top gel and seal this bad boy up. Make sure everything is nice and secure. Pop this back into the UV lamp for another 60 to 90 seconds and this nail will be done. Have you ever looked at your nail and be like, oh my God, I just did that. Like, oh my gosh, this looks so good. And you can see from the side, like it's not bulky. It's, even though this is like a super lazy, no one can tell that I have pre-existing nails. Now it's time for me to get these other nails done. I did this off of camera because we would be here all night because it takes me a while to get polygel done. Remember to flip your nails over on the opposite side so that you can get underneath cured. And this is how this nails is looking. Oh gosh, I love how they are turning out. Okay, so I'm just gonna pretty these up and then I'm gonna come back with the final look. Just wanted to share this hack. Like if you wanted to have butterflies flying off of your nail, what you could do, if you have sequins, just bend them in half and you can actually just stick them onto your nail with the top coat, and that is how it looks on top of my nails. Guys, listen, I'm a little bit arrogant right now because this is one of my best work that I have done in a long time. The nails look good, the butterflies look good, the shimmer look good. Everything is looking okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.